Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can receive money on Zelle. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. If somebody sends money on Zelle, then what happens is that you'll be notified beforehand through an email or an SMS. Is you need to open up your email or an SMS and then tap on the link, and once you tap on the link you'll be directed to this kind of interface. So you need to click on accept money, which is right in center, in order to receive the amount. And after that you need to open up your Zelle application. In case you haven't installed it, then you need to install it and then log in into your account. And once you're logged into your account, after that enter the phone number or the email address as how the transfer was sent to you. Next thing, check the box regarding the privacy and data and then tap on continue. And after that, find the bank. In case you're not able to find your bank, then just tap on don't see your bank, which is right in between. So after that you need to enter the information and then tap on continue. Next interface, you need to enter the billing address and then tap on continue, and now you're set to receive any transfer on your Zelle. So that is how you can receive money on your Zelle account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.